In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to customize Process.st's templates to fit your needs. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to streamline your workflows, this video will give you the tools to make the most out of your Process.st experience. Stick around to the end, and I'll also share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Process.st so you can start customizing your templates without spending a dime. First off, let's dive into the core of Process.st. It's a powerful process management software that lets you create, customize, and automate workflows easily. One of its standout features is the ability to customize templates, and that's exactly what we'll cover today. When you create a new template, Process.st gives you the option to choose from pre-made templates or build one from scratch. You can start with a blank template or a base template that's related to your process. For example, there are templates for onboarding employees, managing projects, and even creating marketing campaigns. But today, we'll focus on making a template that works specifically for you. Once you're inside the template editor, you'll notice that it's broken into tasks. These tasks are the building blocks of your workflow. To customize a template, click on any task, and you'll be able to modify it to fit your process. You can edit the task title, description, and add step-by-step instructions. If your process has multiple subtasks, you can add checkboxes or even set due dates to ensure your team stays on track. Next, let's talk about adding dynamic elements to your template. Process.st allows you to add forms and fields that can change based on the information inputted. For example, if you're creating an employee onboarding template, you might add a form to capture new hire details. The best part? These forms can be fully customized to ask the questions that matter most to your process. Another cool feature is the ability to add conditional logic to your templates. Conditional logic is a game changer because it allows you to show or hide specific tasks based on the answers your team inputs. If a team member answers yes to a specific question, another task might pop up automatically. This helps streamline workflows and eliminates unnecessary steps. If you're working in a team, you can assign tasks to specific people, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. Process.st allows you to set recurring tasks too. So if your workflow includes something that needs to be done on a regular basis, you can set it to repeat automatically without having to do it manually every time. Once you've customized your template, you can save it and reuse it as much as you need. But here's where things get interesting. Process.st also lets you share your templates with others. Whether you're collaborating with teammates or sharing with clients, your customized templates are just a few clicks away. And here's a pro tip. If you're working with clients or stakeholders, you can use the guest feature in Process.st. This allows clients to see the process, track progress, and even input data without having access to the entire backend of your workspace. This makes collaboration super simple, while also keeping your data secure. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of Process.st's integrations. It works seamlessly with tools like Zapier, Google Drive, and Slack, so you can automate even more of your workflows. So, to wrap up, customizing Process.st's templates is all about tailoring tasks, adding dynamic fields, and using conditional logic to ensure your workflow is as efficient as possible. It's the best way to ensure that every process you manage runs smoothly and without hiccups. If you're excited to start customizing your templates, make sure to check out the first link in the description below for a special bonus and an extended free trial of Process.st. It's the perfect opportunity to see how customizing templates can transform your workflow, and best of all, you can get started today for free.